Superintendent of Police SP ka East Khasi Hills ba Vivek Aim habakran Shakilat pathai Khubor hakajan miet khanyo tarik nailur halor ka Jingiap I Heprit in Sapira lungdo maunai South Nam Karta hakashnong Nongrah katkum ka jinget hu USP ulaong ba katkum ka postmortem report ba yo menta kasngi na Negrams Hospital kapau ba ka Jingiap I Heprit in Sapira kadai na ka Jingngam Jyllop bat kam don kanu kadak basha thombor Shushu uba Vivek ulayathu uba nadu bala register ya ka case haranja police station ka kunhun special investigation team kalasdang ya ka jing tokit bat kalayo ban bishar banya ya ukhna badang khatlai snam uba deiru para marjan jong I Heprit Uba Vivek ulayathu uba hadin bala bishar banya ya uni ukhna khatlai snam hapdeng ka jing tokit ula Khubor ba hakatu kasngi ulayalam ya I Heprit daga ba pha kiu na kenro jang ka yeng ba isa bat kilalet chakatu ka yeng ka badang shna thamai bat namar ba kilakti kikijat kilalet ban site hakatu ka jaka hakatu ka sngi ka umru ka dap bat ula phla ba ula ur bat hapdeng ka jing ur ula kumtan lang ye I Heprit hakaba I Heprit ila ngam Jyllop sundan hakatu ka jaka badap ka ba amduna arphut laong uba Vivek ulayathu ba ukhanna ula Khubor ba hapadeng ka jing tieng ula banru da umau na lor ka met jung I Heprit hapadeng ka jing tokit la yo iru ba uni ukhna udan ka denmong na kajat ula ong USP ula ong ba hadu menta ka jing tokit kadang yan ban pentikna la ka Jingiap I Heprit kadai ka jing bakla ni ka bala don lupa ka jing thmu ban shim ya ka jing I Heprit hendre ka kai phot jang ka postmortem ka kadobet ba ka Jingiap kadai hi ba ngam Jyllop mat kam don kanu ka dakmong hamet I Heprit Habakli USP ulayathu ba ka Jingjia ba ka Jingiap I Heprit kadai hi hakajaka balalap ya ka medyap hadu menta ngilala ban Pynshai ba ukhna khatlai snam udan lang ba I Heprit hendre ngidon kam ban tokit banya la kadai ka ba bakla ni ka bala thmu lepa ban shem ya ka jing I Heprit namar kata ngilara ya u khna hakmat Juvenile Justice Board laong USP
It is a fact and according to him that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and the masked men as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. The postmortem report was received today. The postmortem report says death due to drowning. There is no antemortem injuries. There is no sexual assault, and the death was 24 to 36 hours from the time postmortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board, and SIT is in the third day of the investigation. We are yet to investigate further on the claims of this child of whether it was accidental or otherwise. So this is all what I can say till this juncture.
So did the juvenile ever confess to his mother? Did the mother ever know about what exactly happened or come forward?
No. The child never disclosed this fact to anybody. In fact, the distraction of the black Scorpio and masked men just to distract everybody. He had kept this away from everybody, and in fact he was with the search party also.
So if we can create a story of vehicle finding, you can create this story also, that slipped and that girl died?
See, like I said, it's just the third day, and SIT has got 90 days to investigate this case. Right now, what we have proven is that it is the boy who has taken the girl to the site. It is also proven that there's no robbery because her gold earrings are intact. It is also proven there's no sexual assault. It is also proven that there's no body injury. So this is a, if and postmortem report says it is a case of drowning. Now we need to find out further whether this boy had a motive. We need to find out further whether it is anything other than accidental.
So you mentioned that the death occurred in the same place where the body was found.
Yes.
But from relatives, they have mentioned that since the girl went missing, they have even searched in that place.
I don't think so that is a fact, because we have actually asked people whether they have visited that place and all that, and nobody has visited that place. One thing is also we have in fact asked the police party, why have you missed out that place? It's because that place was covered, it had a lot of cement sediments, and when the body actually had submerged out there, the sediments had covered the body. If you had seen the body, you cannot make out unless you really go close by. It was only that this labourer who found out, but nobody actually had gone there to see the child actually, or to see that place where it was with or without the body. So it's actually, it is all in all likelihood that the child died there only.
Is it not normal that two of them when something happens?
Exactly. In fact, a natural thing of a sequence of events would have been, in case she drowned, he would have actually told, but he didn't inform. That's why it merits that it was that we have to apprehend him and produce him before the Juvenile Justice Board, because this merits more investigation. Yes, we have proven the fact that it is this boy who's involved in this whole affair of bringing the child out there. His claim is accidental, that she died because of drowning and he panicked, but that merits more investigation.
During vision, what is the state of mind of the child? How do you see him? Is he abnormal or is he?
See, this child, he's though he's perhaps street smart kind of child, but has academically has not actually progressed well. Sit along with the Child Welfare Committee will have to delve more into the antecedents of this child, whether there's any dysfunctionality. All that will, along with the Child Welfare Committee, we will be able to unearth more information.
Is he the neighbor of the?
Yes, very much neighbor. I think he stays about 50 meters from the victim's house. He was there only. He had kept the body there only. Same place only.
So, during the interrogation, what was the motive of the 13-year-old boy who to take the girl out of her compound of the house?
According to the boy, he has said that he always visits that house. According to the boy, he says that he has always, he's very familiar with the children of that house, and according to him, he went for a stroll. But that needs to be, now we need to corroborate all that, and needs to be confirmed whether there is motive or not.
So, this is the first time that the boy take the girl, is it frequent?
According to him, he's taken those children out there, because I think there are about 5 or 6 minors out there, and with the siblings of this girl child he is friendly with. According to him, he has taken them, but again we need to confirm whether actually he has really taken them or he just comes and plays in the compound only.
Sir, there are houses that are very nearby that spot where the body was found. So I have to ask those neighbors whether they heard anything around 8:30 in the morning.
Yes. In fact, a lot of people have been examined and all that, but nobody heard anything. Nobody saw anything, and that makes the investigation even more challenging, because there's no ocular witness to see that anything happened. Nobody even saw both of them together. So even I think somebody had from one of the media houses has indicated there's a CCTV out there, and that CCTV was not version. Yes.
Has
But
any-
nonetheless, at least we have found out that this boy is the one who took the girl to that place, and that he was the one actually who took the girl, and that she was dead out there because of drowning. Now we need to find out if there's any other ulterior motive.
How high is where the boy slipped along with the girl?
2 feet, 3 feet, 1.5 feet to 2 feet. If full of water, then I think over 2 feet.
But looking at that particular spot, sir, the water is nearly 1 feet like this, sir.
No, because that was when you had gone there. There was no more. On the day it was raining, it was almost 2 feet. It had covered from the floor right to the retaining wall. The next day the water had gone down, but on that day that place had been full.
Any crime history, anything on this book? Any crime history, past crime history?
There is no history about this boy, and we don't have any police case on this boy. He's just 13 years old. But nonetheless, SIT will probe further to find out the antecedents of this boy. Whether number one is finding a motive, if there's any motive, or whether it's just accidental.
So just for clarification, side on there. From the place where both of them fell, I mean from how high they fell into that.
No, it's not falling from the. It's from the floor only. This boy slipped and pulled the girl along.
So, but it's only 2 feet. You said maximum 2 feet. How can they?
No, when he slipped, he pulled the girl. She's a 4-year-old child. Postmortem also says there's no injury. These are the facts I'm saying. We have not come to a conclusion whether it's also accidental or homicide now. We are saying the facts. That yes, this boy is there to take this girl to that place. There's a case of drowning, but it merits more investigation. Whether there's a motive or not out there.
So what led that boy to narrating that story of seeing his spot?
See, that was just a distraction. He panicked. He saw that everybody had come out. Everybody was livid. They were angry. Then he just a distraction. He made up the story of this black Scorpio and masked men without anything.
And with his make-up stories and more make-up stories coming out, that some Scorpios, black Scorpios in Latmoreng and some Maruti van in Mauba.
See,
regarding those cases,
see, that is a pattern which is very disturbing. In fact, now because with social media and all that, people can easily come up with a story also. Of course, these claims are being inquired right now. Our officers and teams are inquiring whether these claims are true or not. But this pattern of coming up suddenly after this case of children, and also you see the pattern is when they are going to school or whether they're going for tuitions, that somebody is trying to abduct them is disturbing, and it also we require to find out whether it's true or not. The veracity of these claims need to be inquired.
are these cases registered in respective police station?
No, they have first been there because they've been just reported today. Most of them have been reported suddenly today. A number of them being reported everywhere today. So they're being inquired. If there's anything which is concrete and which is actually the veracity is true, then we will register a case.
So one last question.
Yes.
As per the postmortem report, is there a great strugglation or any injury mark?
But that's what I said. There is no ante-mortem injury. There's no ante-mortem injury. Means before the girl died, there is no body injury on her.
Thank you so much.